what's up guys, it's Farmer Jack, and today we are gonna harvest and cook up some plantains. So here we've got an Orinoco variety, dwarf Orinoco, and this is one of the plantain varieties we plant for people. Not as big as the Puerto Rican plantain, but they could also be used as a ripe banana. Really, really amazing and super delicious.
Tostones is like a Puerto Rican staple. It's like the perfect side dish because you can eat it with anything. Everything that you can put in a taco, you can also put in a tostone. There's like a mucilaginous coat that this has, this little oil. If you guess in your clothes, it's gonna be there forever. In Puerto Rico, we call it la mancha de plátano. I have the stain of the plantain. Okay, yeah, this is ready. In Puerto Rico, they use corn oil, but I prefer the coconut oil. It's more healthy. So yeah, any good fat that you want to put in your body will work. Yeah, that's what we want. See, if we do this in too much of a high of a heat, it's just gonna burn it in the outside and it's not gonna be soft on the inside. As soon as you get them out, smash them, because if you wait too long, they're gonna get hard. For the second round, we're gonna go a little bit higher because we just want to make them crispy. This is how we season these. This is called the adobo. Puerto Rican sweat adobo, instead of salt, they sweat adobo because it's on everything. This has garlic powder, turmeric, oregano, and salt. That's it. I toss it and then I put some water in it and I mix it, and then I'll show you what I do with the tostones. Be like 1 minute of each side and that's it. It's pretty fast, the second one. If I do this and in all areas it feels like crispy, it's good. And see, now they're I can toss them and they're not wrinkly anymore, you know. Good? It's good.